So today I am playing Subway Surfers, and special shoutouts for the people who commented, which are Mr. Cheers and Robinson something. So yeah, let's get to it. Doody toot toot, doody toot toot. Almost 21, okay? Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. Look at jetpack. Whoa. Holy crap. Whoop. Oh yeah, guys. Should download Roblox. Come play with me and my friend Mortal Chicken and my brother Batman Master 04321. Should. They're like the best friends you could ever have.
I will accept any of you, but you have to leave a comment down and then tell me your Roblox name.
Yeah. And then he will be your friend.
Yeah.
You join Roblox?
This is how I spell it. ROBLOX.
ROBLOX.
Yep. You want it?
Yes.
And
You can play it online on your mobile device. Anywhere. Free.
yeah, it's always free. Just go to the website roblox.com. CON. Wait, isn't this the challenge that nobody can use that?
Forget about it. I'm already used them. You can only use like one. Oh wait. Do it. Just do it.
Wee.
Oy.
Oh
Oy,
shit.
polo. Oy. Oh.
I use my hoverboard. You could just use the hoverboard. The hoverboard. Oh look, mystery box! Yay! Oh shit! I like a mystery box. Oh yay! Oh no! Yes! 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 Oh yeah! Yay! Oh! Yay! Yay! Get out! Get out! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! Get out of my way! Ah! Ah! Stop following me! Stop following me! Stop following me! Stop! Stop it! I don't want to be followed. I don't want you to follow me. Get out! Ah! I hate you. I don't want to go with you. Ah! Ah! This guy's so hard. You're welcome.
Week 122 is Dang. We are in the Bronx. And now right now we are in the Bronx. The Bronx. I wonder when I'm gonna be on the go. How much you have to go for the gold? The diamond, I mean. Wow. Stupid. Who is she? Oh, it's he. Bro.
Who is Mike?
Okay then. And then right here. Thank you for watching. And tune in for the next time.